I lost 5 pounds automatically, you guys. So you need to get rid of those things from your body before you do a water fast, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be quite interesting. It's for people that want to do a water fast, a prolonged water fast to be precise. It's basically how to start a fast. I'll tell you guys everything on how to start a fast, what you're going to need, what to expect, basically what to do before you start a fast so you can be successful and lose some weight. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, make sure you watch this video to the very end, okay, so that you can learn as much as you can. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And if you got something from this video, don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So yeah, let's go straight to why you clicked on this video. You clicked on this video because you want to either go into a water fast or want to find out more about water fast. So that's what we're going to talk about. Like I said earlier, we are going to talk about prolonged water fast. Prolonged water fast is anything after 3 days. So it could be 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, 21 days, 30 days, 40 days, okay? So prolonged water fast is a long extended water fast. So that's if you're considering doing that. So that's what I'm currently doing. If you follow me on my community, I put a lot of posts up on my community talking about different things, and I posted last week, I should think, that I'm starting, which is on 1st of May actually, that I'm going to be starting a 30-day water fast. Okay, yes. 30 days. All right, I'm going for 30 days for different reasons, you guys. So I'll be doing a 30 days water fast for this week. Today is basically the 7th of May, okay? The 7th of May today, so just exactly 1 week. Before I started my water fast, there's certain things that I've done to successfully do this water fast for 30 days. The plan was to show you different stages, like give you some updates during my water fast of the 30 days, but I just thought, okay, let me do this video and show you guys these stages before you actually embark on doing water fast. Because when I made that post on my community, some of you guys said you're actually gonna do it. Some of you guys said they've started, some said I would start next week. So some of you have interest in doing it. Some of you might be, you know, considering doing a water fast as well, okay? So that's why I said, okay, let me do this video so you can, you know, to educate you guys on what to do before you start. Because you can't just wake up in the morning and say, okay, I want to do a 30 days water fast. It doesn't work like that if you don't follow these steps, okay? So I'm gonna go through that with you. We are going to start with your why. All right, you need to know your why before you can ever think of doing a water fast. You need to know why you're doing it. What are the benefits? What do you want to get from it? That's what you need to know before you think of doing this, okay? And your why could be anything. It can be anything. All right, it can be, oh, I want to, you know, be able to run. I want to be able to climb the stairs, you know, without, you know, being out of breath. I want to be able to fit into this dress. I want to be able to have a revenge on your ex-boyfriend or your ex-husband. You know, I want to be able to look like, you know, look better than, you know, somebody that maybe you always admire. Your why doesn't have to be so deep, okay, but it needs to be strong. It needs to be a strong why, because you will need that to reflect all the time. Why am I doing this? If you feel like giving in or giving up, you remind yourself of the why and you get back on track and you stay on track, okay? So that's the reason why your why needs to be a strong why. Why are you doing this? For me, you guys, I'm doing this because of my addiction when it comes to food. I binge a lot, okay? Whether I'm sad, happy, stressed, bored, I binge a lot. Also, I'm addicted to sugar. I just want to reset everything that has to do with losing weight. Basically reset my bad habits that I have. So that's my why. I want to lose weight. I want to reset my habits. I want to stop, hopefully stop my addiction to sugar, which is what is causing my weight gain, and which is what is causing me not to lose weight. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm doing this prolonged water fast. And again, some people might be doing it for health issues. I've got diabetes in my family. I'm almost 40 and the rate I'm going with sugar addiction, if I'm not careful, I will definitely get diabetes. So I need to do something about it. So your why could be health reasons as well, and with health reasons it comes with the benefit of weight loss as well. If you've got health issues, if you're diabetic for example, you're on some medication and everything, so you need to kind of consult with your doctor to make sure that it's okay to do a water fast whilst being on a medication. Find out what their opinion is on that. All right, because I'm not a doctor, so I can't really advise you. I'm just like a normal person like yourself, educating myself and trying things to help myself. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm not here to diagnose or tell you this is what you need to do to rectify any health issues. No, I'm not doing that. All right, so consult your doctor. And also there's lots of videos on YouTube, like doctors on YouTube that talks about fasting, and they talk about, for health reasons, okay, not just for weight loss. They talk about health reasons. You got Dr. Jason Fung, Dr. Stan Erberg, and you've got Motivational Doc. Just go through their channel and see what they're saying. Do your research, try your best to consult a doctor before you embark on a water fast. All right, so the next one is that you need to pick a suitable period and time to do a water fast. I'm very guilty of this. Maybe I've eaten so much and I just think, oh, let me just go on a water fast without thinking about the month, the day, the week, and what events I have. And I start and I just, I just remembered, oh, I've got a party at the weekend to go to. I do my water fast, I go to the party, and you know what? I fail, I eat. All right, so you need to pick a suitable period and time to start with, to start your water fast. If you've got a birthday coming up, your birthday is coming up, or your child's birthday is coming up, or you've got a party, you've got a wedding, or festive periods, Christmas, Easter, you don't want to do your fasting those days, those months, or that week, or whatever. You need to avoid doing fasting. Just basically plan the best time to avoid temptations, because you're definitely going to be tempted with everybody eating around you, with food around you. I started in May because I've done my Easter celebration is over, and I just gave myself May, the month of May, to do this. I don't have any social events, I don't have anything planned for May, and also summer is coming up, you guys. That's another one. So yeah, so that's why May is suitable for me. So avoid like Christmas, social events, and the months, any month that you have things in your calendar that holidays, avoid those times to do a water fast. So you have to look into your calendar and plan a suitable period and time to do your water fast. All right, so the next one is prep week. You guys, you need to do a prep week. I can't stress how much important this is, you guys. This is very, very important for you to do a prep week. If you don't do this prep week, especially if you're doing a prolonged extended water fast, you are going to fail miserably. Trust me. And if you fail miserably, guess what happens? It's very demoralizing because you don't want to do it again. You feel so bad. If you jump in straight into doing a water fast without doing this prep week, your weight loss is going to be very, very slow. It's going to slow down. It's going to crawl. Basically, you're not going to see a fast weight loss. So it's important to kind of ease into this fast, okay? Always ease into the fast. So do this prep week, right? So this is what to do. The first thing you need to do, you need to flush your system, okay? You need to flush your body. What I'm talking about, flush your body, what I did a salt water flush. I did a video on this, so I cannot, talk much about salt water flush. If you're interested to watch this video to know what it is, you can watch it up here. Okay, so you need to flush out your body because, you guys, you have a lot of water weight in your body, and you have a lot of fat, a lot of weight locked up in your intestines. The food that you've been eating long time, can stay in your body for up to 7 years, you guys. And it's gonna build up, it's gonna be clogged, and it's gonna be built up, toxins are gonna be built up, and it's gonna cause inflammation, and that's how we gain weight. That's how we gain fat. Okay, so if those things are still locked up in your system and you're not doing anything about it, you keep eating and eating and eating repeatedly without having a flush, it's gonna be difficult to lose weight, and it's gonna be difficult to get rid of those toxins. So the first thing you need to do is to do a salt water flush to reduce the inflammation in your intestine. Salt water flush is done first in the morning on an empty stomach. You need that flush to get rid of toxins from your body before you ever think of doing a water fast. When I did my salt water flush, I lost 5 pounds automatically, you guys. 5 pounds the next morning when I weighed myself. I think it was 5.8 pounds if I remember correctly. Okay, so you need to get rid of those things from your body before you do a water fast. Okay, then when you've done a flush, right, as in it's flushed out a lot of toxins in your system, and so the next thing to do is to cut out breakfast. You don't need to eat breakfast. Cut out on breakfast and reduce your meal to 2 meals a day. Okay, so you can have your lunch, have your dinner, or you can do 1 meal a day depending on your willpower of what you can do. But it's not just eating anything now, okay, because guys, you flushed out your system. You don't want to go back to eating junk and unhealthy foods, high carbohydrate foods, high sugar. You don't want to feed your body with that. Feed your body with healthy food. So have your lunch healthy, have your dinner healthy. You do that for at least 5 days. But whilst you're doing that, you guys, you need to drink lots of water, as in a lot of water. Minimum of 2 liters of water a day. Okay, if you can go up to 1 gallon of water a day, that is so good. This would help you guys. This will still continue helping you flush out the toxins in your body, and also with help train your body. It would help train your body to drinking water as well, because that's what you're going to do after this week. You're going to drink loads of water, because that's all you're going to be drinking, just water. So yeah, so start to train your body now to be able to drink water. Water helps you lose weight. Okay, so you continue to lose weight whilst you're drinking a lot of water. So it's going to continue the cleansing process, and to accelerate it, you can add a key lime in your water. Okay, that would help a lot with hunger, and that will also help to break down the fat in your body. Key lime water is basically lime, slice up some lime and put it into your water, okay, and let it sit for at least 4 hours before you drink it. That's key lime water. That will definitely help you to continue to burn fat. Okay, after you've done your 5 days of eating, you now need to do your second flush. The first day you did a saltwater flush. This second flush is not going to be a saltwater flush. What you need to do, either find yourself a detox tea, okay, find other way to cleanse your colon, like enema, colon cleansing. There's other ways to flush out your system without doing a saltwater flush. The most cost-effective one is gonna be the detox tea. All right, so find yourself a good laxative, a good detox tea to flush, to do that flush. Okay, that's on the 5th day of the week. On the 5th day of the week, that's when you need to do this, the second flush. All right, and then the next thing you need to do is to do a juice cleanse. It's gonna be juice only, you guys, preferably citrus fruit juice. For example, orange juice, grapefruit, lemon. Okay, these are citrus fruits because they have acid in it, and because of the acid in it, this will help continue to break down those clogged stuffs that is in your intestines very quickly, and also is going to make, you know, weight loss a lot easier. So the next one is electrolytes. Okay, you're going to need electrolytes. This is not my first time of fasting. It's not my first prolonged fasting. I've done fasting in the past, but you're going to need electrolytes. Electrolytes is taken when you're not feeling strong, you're feeling tired and everything, so you need to put electrolytes in your body, and this is usually needed maybe like on a day 5 or even on a day 3, depending on individual. You might need electrolytes, so it's better to have it handy. Okay, I've got this electrolyte that I used the last time, what you need to make sure that your electrolytes have is a salt, potassium, calcium and magnesium. But guys, you need to be very careful because some electrolytes have sugar in it. Okay, they contain sugar, so they make it quite sweet for you when you're taking it. Basically, you're doing a clean fast, okay, clean water fast, so you don't want anything sugar going into your system. You need to be very careful of the products that you're going to be using, electrolytes, that it doesn't have sugar in it. It's just got the salt, potassium, magnesium and calcium in it. Okay, so that's what you need to make sure about. So like I said, you're going to need this. You might need it, you might not. Some people do without putting electrolytes. You can also make your own electrolytes. There's lots of videos on YouTube to find out how to make electrolytes. Some people just sprinkle a bit of salt in their tongue and drink some water with it. Some people drink coconut water, not the one in the pack, as in the coconut itself. So there's different ways of boosting your energy. If you're feeling low, you might need that, so make sure you keep that handy before you start your water fast. Okay, so the next one is bone broth. For prolonged water fast, you need to break your fast with bone broth. That is very, very essential because obviously your water fast, your stomach hasn't been taking any food, your stomach has been shrinking, your system has been resting. You cannot break your water fast eating normal food. If you try that, you're going to hear it. You're going to have a lot of cramps, stomach cramps, and your digestive system is going to be disrupted. You're going to have a lot of constipation. It's very, very important to ease out from the water fast. Okay, you have to ease out of the water fast, just like you're easing in with this video into the water fast. You have to ease out of it. All right, so you need to really, really be careful and break your water fast with a bone broth. The bone broth is just a mixture of bone and veggies and everything. I did a video on that as well, so if you want to know how to make a bone broth, you can watch this video up here. And bone broth is also good because, you know, just in case you decide to break your fast for whatever reason. Okay, supposing you've gone into your fast for 10 days. Maybe you had in mind that you're going to fast for 30 days and day 10 you decide to break your fast for whatever reason, and there's nothing available for you to eat, and you know, you just go straight to eating normal food, which you're not meant to do because you're going to obviously damage your system. Okay, so yeah, so that's why, you know, it's good to have this bone broth ready before you think of doing this water fast. Okay, you can store it in a freezer, and when you're ready, just warm it up and then you can now break your fast. Okay, bone broth is not needed if you're just doing a short fast of maybe 3 days or 5 days. It's not needed, but things like 7 days, 10 days or more, you definitely need a bone broth. Okay, then from there you can now start breaking with some fruits and salad and all that. But don't worry, I'll definitely update you guys with stages by stages, you know, of what I'm doing and how I'm feeling and everything. So, but for now, make sure you have your bone broth ready before you start your fast. Okay, so I'm just going to recap everything I've just said. Number one, find your why. Find why you're doing this. Number two, consult your doctor if it's to do with health reasons. Number three is to find a suitable period, a suitable time to do your water fast. Number four is to do a prep week. Very, very important, so that you don't fail miserably with this water fast. Number five is to get your electrolytes. Number six is to get your bone broth ready, okay, before your fast. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope I provided value. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my video, and also share this video with your family and friends. It's probably gonna help somebody out there, okay? And yeah, that's it guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.